Hey everybody, so just a recap of my morning. So what was the biggest percent gainer in the morning that I saw? And um, I'm still paper trading, so I got in 100 shares, 27.38, and out 28.71. So that's $1.40, a $1.40 move pre-market. Then it went up to the day high of 32.39. Then it started trending down, and I'm like, maybe it's gonna bounce and retest the high. So that was my logic there. But then when I saw it going down, I was like, all right, cut your losses quickly, right? Because you never know when it's gonna crash. Because I'll give you an example of something where I didn't do that. So this was another big percent gainer. It's got some weird news. Oh, not this one. Which was the one with weird news? This one, something about, I don't know how to read this yet. So there's that. Hold on. So for this one, okay, you know what I'm realizing? I'm getting in and out of trade. Like if this is my simulation of trading, I'm getting in and out too many times. Which, in the US, the PDT is like 25,000 to be able to do that in the first place. So, I mean, I'm thinking like as long as I cut my losses quickly, it'll be okay. But it's like there's a lot of over trading. This is one, this is two, this is three, all in one hour. So that's too much trading. I think this was a good move. I've never traded pre-market though. I think I've gotten like alerts where it's like, oh, we've gotten your order, but it's not going through. So I don't even know how that would work. But this was a good mover from like 9 to 18, right here from 9 to 18 pre-market. And then it just kind of fizzled. But I was like, oh, it's got some support over here because these candles are touching a bottom. So when it touches the bottom, it's support at like 13. Let's see if it can break the high, and it just fizzled out. So I was in 15, and then I should have just, like as soon as I saw it go red, maybe like leave, or even if I want to be technical about it, give it until 13.91, which is kind of a lot for risk versus reward. That's $1. Yeah, that's like $1 away as a risk level. Or I could have been like, okay, as soon as it breaks 450, like set a mental risk level. But I waited till 13.48, and then I saw some green over here. I was like, oh, it's bouncing. It's got some support over here. It's bouncing. And that was true if you got in at like 12. So you can get out at 13. But getting in 12.94, I was like, this is silly. So 4 cents later, out, right? Then I was looking at LINU, and these are all just coming up as top percent gainers on any scanner. This was a good move, and I actually wanted to buy this one in real life, but I'm still scared. So 219 out at 241. It went all the way to the threes, and then I saw that it was going green here. I was like, oh, it's testing the day high. It might break out. And then in 1,292, and then I started to see red here. Like it didn't like fully bounce up, because I think it bounces up and then touches and then ramps up again. That's how it's supposed to go, but it didn't do that. It was a fake out breakout. So I was like, all right, out at 307. And then I'm like, oh, maybe it's retesting again. So there's too many trades going on. 1, 2, 3, right? So I think that's 9. There's 3 there. Wait. And I'm at 8. So that's way too many trades for one day. You're given like 3 with PDT per week. So that's all I wanted to say today. All right, enjoy your day.